a bad bearing sounds like. Wait for it. But I'm not in the helicopter. Listen. It's okay though, because you're getting a new one. Well, actually, a pair of them put in tomorrow. But, just rolled over 151,000 miles. So I guess it's due. But yeah, listen. Yep. That's how you know your bearing's bad, because it's like every time I shift the weight on the wheel, it hits a flat spot whenever the rollers are going over the flat spot inside the bearing race. That's what's making all that noise. So we're going to have to get those swapped out, and I'm going to go ahead and throw better brakes on it, so you can really hear it now. But anyway, I'm throwing ceramics on it with a F rating on both cold stop and hot stop. If you don't know what that is, you may want to look it up, because whenever you buy brakes, you can look on the edge of the pads themselves, and there'll be a stamp code on it, and the higher the letter, the better it is in cold braking and hot braking. You know, you want higher letters, especially the second letter, because that indicates your brake fade. So anyway, I got some good brakes that I'm going to get put in, and hopefully get these bearings fixed before it does something like, you know, my Stealth when the ball joint came out. Guys, front suspension stuff, it's not something to play with or put off. I've seen, you know, people come into work with bearings and hubs where the whole bearing came apart and the wheel basically fell off. So, you know, it ain't nothing to play with. You end up in a ditch upside down, or get your head busted open like I did. But in my defense, I did have a new ball joint in my back seat the day I wrecked. I just hadn't had a chance to put it in yet. It's going to shop the next day. Anyway, you guys, be safe. This is another little Shogun tip of the day. Remember, we can get you wheel bearings, you know. If you're running tuners, we can get back on these, get, you know, some good stuff. But, like I said, it's nothing to play with or put off. You know, you can get away with crappy tires for so long, but stuff like bearings, ball joints, stuff like that, when it goes out, it goes out. And if you're going down the road, you're dead. Alright, this is Drew signing out. Boom, boom.